Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Margie from Croydon Ringwood Camera House, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to load film into your SLR. You might have snagged yourself a new SLR or are just wanting to ensure you get back no more blank rolls. Follow this video as a guide for loading your film into your SLR. Today I'll be using test rolls for the video. First, you need to open up the back of your camera by pulling up on the rewind knob to release the door's latch. Inside the camera on the left, underneath the film rewind spool, you will see the film chamber where your film sits. It's important to ensure the rewind knob clicks down, holding the film in place. If we take a closer look at the right side of the camera, you'll see sprocket wheels with teeth for your film to grip to, as well as the film take-up spool with slits for your film tab to be fed into. Pull your film over, feeding it into the slits and advance the film using the lever. Having a closer look, we can see clearly where the film needs to be fed. Ensure the film is wrapping around the spool and that the sprockets are in line with the teeth. Once the film is in the slits of the take-up spool, advance the film once and hit the shutter release. Advance once more to ensure it is wound correctly and close the door. Hit the shutter release. Advance the film lever and your first shot will be ready to go. An important thing to note is ensuring the rewind knob is spinning as you advance your film, as this means it is loaded correctly and the film is being pulled out and travelling along the camera. Some extra insight and tips to note whilst loading your film. Here I've shown the orientation of how your film should be loaded. Don't refer to your exposure counter as a guide. If the film is loaded incorrectly, the counter will still count up. To rewind your film, simply turn the knob on the front of your camera, or perhaps push the button at the base of your camera. This is dependent on what camera you are using. There is a little arrow on the rewind spool handle that should depict the direction you turn the knob to rewind the film. For those interested, this is what is happening inside your camera when you advance the film and when you rewind the film. Don't forget to set your ISO when loading a new roll.